afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Titans. It is truly a joy to welcome all of you to this special gathering. A time for families to come together, share wonderful moments, and of course, engage in some friendly competitions.
Around with me. I wanna dance with you forever. Wanna see, spin it around with me.
Before we recognize the fathers of every family here in school, let's first recognize the father of all.
Today is not just about winning games. It is about something far more important. Modeling the values we want to instill to our children. In today's activities, we have a great opportunity not just to play, but to teach. Through our words and actions, let us demonstrate sportsmanship, respect, and care for one another.
Yeah. Right.
Can you feel it? Everybody, yeah. Can you feel it? Let your body,
Let's remember that we are not just participants. We are role models. Let's make this a fun, enriching, and values-driven experience for our children. Thank you, and let's all have a great Father's Day celebration this year.
Come to the end of this celebration of Father's Day 2025. I hope you all enjoyed and had fun. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much. Until the next Father's Day.